let me show you 5 ways that I've discovered that hopefully should solve the issue of your Fire TV stick remote not working, starting with my easiest fix first. The first thing you can try is to replace the batteries, because you might need new batteries. And when you replace with new batteries, make sure that they're the right way around, with the positive in the right direction. Unplug your fire stick from the wall, or unplug the power cord, and then re-plug it in after about 30 seconds. Hold the home button down for at least 10 seconds until the LED starts to blink. This should pair the device if it's not paired correctly. You may have to try this several times though. For my fix number 4, we can actually download the free official Amazon Fire TV app, which is a good replacement for the Alexa TV remote and a good backup in case you don't have any replacement batteries for your Alexa Fire TV remote. After you've installed this app, you need to enter the 4-digit code displayed on your Fire TV screen to connect it. In my final fix, which worked for me, we can use the Amazon Fire TV app to go into our Fire TV settings to correctly pair our Alexa TV remote. If I go to scroll down and then move along and go to remotes and Bluetooth devices, and then tap in the screen to get access it, and then Amazon Fire TV remote. So if I click on that, Amazon Fire TV remote, that's working. Amazon Fire TV remote. Now it's got there for some reason battery offline. So that's telling me that there's a problem with the battery. So maybe I just need to, and what I might do is just try and unpair it again, because I'm sure the battery's fine. So let me just do that. Let me just go in, and then if I press this to unpair it, and then tap in the center. Now we need to tap on Add New Remote. Searching. Okay. And now we have to tap on our Fire TV remote app to confirm adding the Alexa TV remote. And there you go. So it's now, how about that? So now the battery was okay. You just needed to unpair it and pair it. See there, it's got battery okay. So fingers crossed. Yep. We're back in action. We're back in action.
Tidak ada om.